Molecules. Worksheet settings. Enable or disable exercise types. Decide what type of information should be asked for on the worksheet and change other options as well. Create worksheets. Generate worksheets with your custom settings. Let's find out how to create a worksheet with the Molecules tool. Click on this icon to open the worksheet settings. Click on a particular exercise type to disable it if you do not want to include it on the worksheet. Choose what type of information should be asked for on the worksheet. Set the number of exercises you want to include on the worksheet. Set a time limit for each exercise. You can even add an animation effect to the images. Click on the play button to create and load the worksheet with your custom settings. Click on the letter with the correct answer. You only have a few seconds to discuss the answers before the worksheet moves on to the next exercise. Click on the pause button if you need more time. After pausing an exercise, click on the arrow to move on to the next one. The current exercise can be exported to the test editor. You can even add your own exercise. You can edit each exercise. Save the changes you have made. Insert it into the exercise book so it can be used later. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.